Hello guys, today we are playing Grace, but there's a new update. Grace but evil. What? Oh, cool. Okay, we're gonna find some evil badges from Grace. So we're gonna find these badges. I've met already. So why is not good? So these modifiers if you don't. But the modifiers are not scary. Just good. What? A new entity. Another entity. So you can see these are the new entities. This one. Eh? They got a new one? My sweet duckling. What? Eh? Oh. This one. Wait, what's this one? Oh, okay. Why am I using these stuff? Oh, okay. So I wanted this. Next, we gotta use what is this? Oh, they got a new modifier. I'm gonna use this one. So good. Okay, let's go. Okay, should just face entity. What we got? Let's see. Oh, Link, dry eye. Start solo. Okay, this actually knows. Dude. Oh. Wait, this is not evil. What? Grace put evil. Oh, this. When it screams, take it out and take a picture of what's inside. Okay, let's see what we got. Open it. Okay, we still need more extra time, so let's see what's inside in this cool entity. Oh, they got new stuff. They all change. Okay, we are fine, guys. Just only the one. Okay, now. Dude, what? Ew! What's this? There's a rust and sting. Okay, this one. Oh, we are not using mine. Goodbye. What's this? January layoff. Okay, let's use this one. can see. Oopsie. We got a key. What? They still have that? But... Look! What? They got a new modifier? We got new modifiers here. Come on, where's new modifiers? Where's the newest modifiers? Yeah, they still got them. Okay, let's try Mark Blue, I guess. I'm still using this music. There you go. Damn! Well, why is it so fine? So, more Mac Blue, and what do we use? They all see a little bit different, but what? Okay. Nothing look better. Nothing look better. Stop if that's down. Okay, what did I got? Go. How do I take a picture and what's inside, dude? Why did I break it in a different piece? You can always try again. I give you free. Well, I do that. Okay, you can be a try again. Oh, why would I do that? Why did I do that? What did I do that? How did I do that? Let's see it's good. Let me see it's good.
Hey, have a good break? What? No, we literally just sat down. Why are you in your new costume? Rumi, you did.
You announced the new single.
The promo starts tomorrow.
Tonight?
No, wait, put the pajamas. No.
Girls, you won't believe this.
No more relax.
Bingo is on fire. Everyone's listening to it.
No, time is down. My teeth. It's okay. Here we go. Time is
You see my head bobbing right now? Tell us more about that new single. It's
Oh.
a song about who we are and where we're going next. And the first live performance is It's the beginning of a new chapter for us, for the whole world. And we're so excited to show you what's next.
Okay, let's go. No modifiers. Where's Noah? Where's the Noah? Why aren't you using my new presents?
Cover those up. You only have those because
My dad is a demon.
you're not one of them. You're a hunter, just like your mother was. When the homeland is sealed, all the demons will be gone from this world, and so will your power.
So these will be
I don't see something.
Those will be gone.
What? It was right there. But why did I press re-roll for that? I want to click on it. Oh, there you go. Versions of Noah. What is... Oh. Ugh. I don't like it. Oh, let's see what's to that. Now we gotta get my present. Yeah! I'm excited. I'm excited. What? This is actually a camera. So we got this entity. I don't like that entity. That sucks. You only get more than a present? Where's the present? I don't see it. I don't see it. Maybe... How do we get one? Return to lobby.
Yep, about as legit as I expected.
Arthur and Irby. Sounds legit for me. Yay! That's the spirit.
Hurry before someone sees us.
Wait, I saw a message. Hang on. this new room. Dude! Check out the new dude. Whoa, we have a new one. What? I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it, guys. I'm gonna try it, guys. I'm gonna try it. God, angel. No. It's actually so hard. What? Okay. Yeah, I can get in. What? I don't want it. What? Okay, why am I retrying this game? Am I gonna retry it or I'm gonna do that again? Maybe we can do that again, so that will make me better. Okay. What did I touch? If what is this? What? How was it?
longest video on YouTube? Like, what's the longest video? There's some videos on YouTube that are hours and hours long. Like, for example, this is the longest video on YouTube. Like, what's the longest video? There's some videos on YouTube that are hours and hours long.
I guess I have no idea. No. No, dude. No, just not to be good. Oh my god. Okay, okay, guys. I'm just going to be alive, and another part is going to be soon. The next part. It's going to be coming soon today. So everyone be in the first place. Alright, goodbye.